Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 16th of October 2021 and today's discussion topic is discussion about the SCP or SLP. SCP means string constant pool and SLP means string literal pool. Before discussing our discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatre Mulik. I am from Kolam. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagholi, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Swedish College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about our discussion topic, that is the SCP or SLP. Actually, that both the concept SCP or SLP, that is the string constant pool or string literal pool, both are related with the concept of string. So firstly we will see about the string. What is the string? String is a sequence of a character. String is object which is used to store sequence of the characters. It may contains the alphanumeric value, that is the characters or the numbers. So there is two ways to create a string, that is by using the string literal or by using this new keyword. But the string literal keyword creation of the string by using the string literal is very much effective than the creation of the string by using a new keyword. So why it is effective is because of that our today's concept, that is the SCP or SLP. So now we will discuss about that concept. What is SCP or SLP? So uh, as we know, string is immutable. Means if the object of the string is created in the SCP, then the value present in that particular object can't be changed. That's the main concept. That's why the string is immutable. That is the concept of the string is immutable. So now we will see about that first type, that is by using creation of a string by using the by using the string literal. So before talking about that concept of that creation of a string by using a string literal, firstly I will give a real type example, that is the as everyone uses that Gmail. At that time while filling the form of that creation of an account of Gmail, there is a one block is there which asks for the village or a town. Means if there is a particular village, that is the village name is suppose that is the Pune, and in that village particular lakhs of peoples are there, and everyone has a only one village, that is the Pune, and that the object is created in SCP. Means every time the reference variable refers to that particular object. Means by using a SCP there is only one object is created, and which is the advantages of that SCP. But if you talk about that other type of that creation of a string by using a new keyword, at that time lakhs of object is created in a heap memory. But in case of the SCP only one object is created, that is the memory wastage problem is avoided. That's the main advantage of that SCP. That's the real life example of that SCP. So now we will see about why strings are immutable, or that or what the concept of immutability is related with the SCP. So we will see it. Suppose there is one string A which contains an object of ABC, and then there is a other string, that is the B, which contains the same object, that is ABC. Means while creation of a string B, it will check that object, that reference variable is check is there any is there any object is present in a SCP which has the same data is present in that particular object. If there is the data is present in it, then that reference variable is also refers to that particular object present in the SCP. Means it will not create an another object. That's the use of that SCP. And if we want to edit that data, particular data, then the particular object is present in that particular SCP, and the new created object is created another. Means there is no garbage collection is present in the SCP, because JVM is internally provide reference to that SCP. Means there is no garbage collection. But in case of the heap memory there is a concept of garbage collection. Means if you want to edit particular data in a heap memory or modify that data, then that previous data will be goes to that garbage collection. But in case of SCP it is not happened. Means there is a some other problem is also there. If we want to modify that particular object, then that time there is the some of the memory little memory wastage concept is there about that SCP. That's the all about that SCP. So as today's topic is SCP or SLP, means string literal pool or string constant pool. Both have the same meaning. There is no difference between the two, that SCP and SLP. And there is some of the advantages also there of that SCP, and some of the disadvantages is also there for the SCP. The advantage of that SCP is that for a particular object, for a particular data present in object, there is no creation of that multiple object for that particular data. Only one object is created in a SCP, all the reference variable that refers to that particular object. But there is also one of the disadvantages of that SCP, that is the concept of immutability. Means if you want to modify the particular data present in object, then that data will never be modified, but the another object is created, in that object the data is modified and that object is stored in that SCP. Means previous object is also present and next object is also present. That's the sum of the disadvantage of that SCP. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.